Calculate the real and complex solutions of x to the sixth equals 1. For this one, we're going to subtract 1 from both sides, and then we're going to factor this. So think of this as x cubed minus 1 times x cubed plus 1. And then we're going to factor each one of these guys. So x cubed minus 1 is x minus 1 times x squared plus x plus 1. And then x cubed plus 1 is x plus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1. And we're going to set each factor equal to 0. So x minus 1 is 0, means x is 1. We'll set x plus 1 equal to 0, get x is negative 1. And then the x squareds are going to be a little bit of work. For this one, we're going to use a quadratic formula. We get negative 1 plus or minus square root of, or negative 1 plus or minus I root 3 over 2. And then 1 plus or minus I root 3 over 2. So we're going to get 1, 2, 4, and 6 total answers.